time RVer, and today is the first day of the rest of your life. Make it a good one. It's the day after yesterday, the day before tomorrow. It's now, scary as that is, it is. But make it a good day. But anyway, hey Google, what's the temperature in Carrizozo, New Mexico?
The current temperature in Carrizozo is 61 degrees.
And it's a few degrees cooler out here, so it's probably around 58 or 59, which is very nice, with a high of 93, so it's warming up a little bit. But we may be on the road again today anyway, and I'm not sure where I'm going, but I got a tentative plan, we'll see. But anyway, what else? Hey Google, what's the temperature in Llano, Texas?
The temperature in Llano right now is 75 degrees.
So it's at least 15 degrees cooler in the morning, and the high in Llano is supposed to be 100, and so it's 7 degrees on the high end, but it's also, the humidity is very low here. Hey Google, what's the temperature in Bangor, Maine?
In Bangor right now, it's 70 degrees.
With a high of 89. Hey Google, what's the temperature in Butte, Montana?
In Butte right now, it's 53 degrees.
With a high of 80. That's perfect camping weather. Hey Google, what's the temperature in Fairbanks, Alaska?
The temperature in Fairbanks right now is 54 degrees.
With a high of 74. That's not bad either. Anyway, let me introduce. Oh, hey Google, make us laugh.
What do you call a shoe made out of a banana? A slipper.
Kind of cute. Anyway, this is Tweety Bird. That's Trenton Clump, little head there. Trenton Clump, and this thing right here. This is called something. Somebody told me to mention. It's called Starlink, Starfire, Starlink. That's Starfire. You can't already see it, but there's somebody there. And then of course that's Matilda, the old trash can that'll get you. That's the Blue Bird of Happiness, I guess, and that is a teddy bear with my name on it. Popeye and Ollie bought me a Popeye cartoon. I'll get it out here. Popeye cartoon. Betty Boop from the 1930s. Mr. Bill from the 1970s. Behind him is a sticker with a jalapeno that says Native Texan. This is $1 million bill, 1,000 yen note, a 5-euro note. There's a $2 bill squeezed in there, and a $1 silver certificate. And this is Gumby from the 1970s, and that's Mr. Bojangles. And where are the bananas? They're on the bed, because when I go somewhere, I don't like the bananas will flop around and some of them will fall off. Yeah, we're going to be doing something today. I'm not sure what. But anyway, what else? We introduced it, got the joke. This right here. That's a smiling face with a nose, ear, and hair that I added, and that is a sign that says life is better with Casita. And I didn't forget these either. This is Olive Oil's Bras right there, and so that takes care of that stuff. And now, without further ado, we will get to Committee Call, and here we go. It says Grady Guy, White Oak rhymes with white. Go. We need a new battery for this thing. Anyway, Stacy Hackney, thank you, Grady Guy. Stacy Hackney, thank you for the great tips, especially the bathroom, talking about Jessica and Aberdeen. They're traveling and camping in a Toyota Prius. Good luck, Jessica and Aberdeen. Sandra Main, White Oaks, you are right, Rusty. The bit is the part of the bridle that goes in the horse's mouth. I keep expecting you to say bye, bonds, say chicken fat, and join the waves. Yeah, well, I know you dated yourself there, Sandra. You dated yourself. Anyway, Guardian Pet Care and Massage, Jim. That was a cool town and saloon, population 11. No goats. Thanks for the walkabout. Happy day to you. To you. Thank you. Same to you, Jim. She says good comment call. Thank you, Jim. This is Patrick Rossetti. Very cool. Thanks. You're welcome. Thumbs up to you. Diana Rickman. This is on Gwendolyn in Carrizozo, the lady at the visitor center that plays what instrument was it? Can't even remember now. But anyway, she played in orchestras all over the world. Anyway, Diana Rickman, I can't believe I had missed this video. probably been there half a dozen times or more. Yeah, the cave's locked, but you got to get a special permit to get in and stuff. And as far as camping, there's just dry camping. It's boondocking. They got tables. They got the little picnic tables with the covers and stuff. But that's it. It's okay if you're into that. I'm not into it now. Karen R. of Triton and stuff. Nice three-wheeler. I have a Sun Miami three-wheeler, and last year when we were driving home from camping, it fell off our rack. Well, that's not good. Thank God no one was following behind us. It bounced around the road. Luckily, it was fixable. Enjoy your videos and sense of humor. Yeah, that's why I hate to have stuff hanging off the back of the vehicle because I can't see it. Okay, this is Johnny Petraglia. Yep. Oh, I read that, didn't I? But anyway, another great adventure. Population 11 in one day. Go, go, go. Anyway, James Richardson, interesting place. It was. It is. M. Lane. Hey, Rusty, do you know why Motel 6 leaves the light on for you? To keep the cockroaches at bay. LOL. That's probably true. I've stayed at Motel 6 a few times. Jeff Hicks on White Oaks. The socialist governor doesn't realize the damage he's causing with this. Anyway. I don't know what the deal is, man. I'm not trying to figure it out anymore. I'm just, it's out. Can I do anything about it? No. Will I do anything about it? No. So what am I going to do about it? I'll adapt and continue to enjoy my life the best I can. Anyway, Karen R. says, are you going to take us out for a beer Saturday or Sunday at the No Scum Allowed? Nope, I'm not. Lynn Anthony, hi Rusty, 78609, I'm going to buy a place in Texas or New Mexico thanks to you. Well, good luck. I'm telling you, man, good luck in finding a place at a reasonable price. Tom Wilson, love to see you around town. Me too. Boondocking with Dennis. Good morning, Dennis. How are you today? Greetings from Arkansas. Yeah, he said he was going to be traveling the other day. Looks like an excellent place to explore. Anyway, check out Boondocking with Dennis. He's got a channel on YouTube. And he's in the Corpus Christi, Texas area, and he boondocks in a pickup with a camper top, a big pickup with a camper top. Les Molyneux. It is so relaxing to watch, listen, and learn about the Southwest after watching crazy Democrats ranting up. If you guys are watching TV, I'm sorry, man. I don't know what to tell you. If you're watching that crap, I just don't know what to say. I know it's on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's hard to avoid, but you can do it. Julia Russell, awesome, Rusty, thank you. Spiderhead, thumbs up to you. And Casey Torres, thanks, Rusty. Looking to camp there on August 11th. I appreciate the in-depth tour. Cheers, yeah. Yeah, I thought I'd do that because I had the trike out. I thought I'd do that. I'm going to post a video today of, I did the loop around the lava flow. I triked it, so to speak, and I'll post that today for our noon entertainment. This is Dale Pointer. Let's see what we've got here. Got a good one here, Dale. You wrote a long one. It says, the anchor in nowhere set in the sand, a testament of lost adventures or a joke made by man. You see, the story may go that anchor's been all over from the far, far east to the white cliffs of Dover. Many a sailor have felt its weight thousands of times down below, deep in dark, cold, murky water, or places we will never know. Like rusty, brass, and steel, thousands of places to go, places to see and feel, and most of all, no lawn to mow. There's a lot of truth in that. I don't like to mow grass, but thank you very much, Dale Pointer, for our morning poetry. Enjoy your day, sir. Fred Thorne on White Oaks, thanks for the tour and the history. It's exciting for a crusty mid-Atlantic clam digger to see the Wild West in real life. It gives a new dimension of understanding the past. Yeah, there's a lot of history here. Mainly it's the pioneer history. Of course, you got the history of the old Spanish conquerors out in here, whatever you want to call them, the explorers. That goes back to the 1500s. But anyway, you're welcome. Thank you, Fred. This is Shrey Stewart. These are This is on Lake Colorado State Park, Texas. This is Stray Stewart. Sheila, are you awake, dear? Breakfast is served. Goodbye, stray. You are a stray Stuart now. You are gone, baby. You're gone to the nowhere land. Bye. Woo, gone. I love this power of this little thing. Anyway, Space Wizard. My grandfather lived in White Oaks in the 1940s before moving to Alamogordo. Okay, good to know. Thank you. Apollo 14. What were those kids doing to you at the Las Cruces place? They weren't doing anything to me. They were thinking about doing something. In my opinion, that's why I left. Samuel Fink, population of 11, sounds like my kind of town. Thanks for the tour. Yeah, you'd increase the population by about 8% or 9. Joyce Barnett, great video. Thanks for sharing. You're welcome. Alien Life UK, listen to Billy Joel's song called My Life. I enjoy trike vids. Take the goat out for a ride in the basket, show him the neighborhood. The goat. Apollo 14, my daughter is a vegan. God help me, are you a vegan? Who cares? You know, I don't care if they're a legan or a pegan or a degan or what. They do what they do, I do what I do. Don't worry about that crap, man. Don't worry about what other people do. Robert M. Well, I'm sorry I missed you at the Lano RV Park. My name is Robert. I'm an electrician. I wanted to come down and have beer 30 with you and be your electrician for the next place you move anyway. Hope to meet you soon and love your videos. Been watching them for many years now. Take care, Rusty. Well, I tell you what, if you're a master electrician, then you can help me out maybe. Yeah, just shoot me an email to rusty78609@yahoo.com because you have to be a master electrician to do electrical work on homes to be in code in Lano, Texas. Calvin, retired geezer, firefighter. I would not be allowed in the No Scum Allowed bar. Well, you know, that actually referred to bankers, lawyers, doctors, and other professionals. The run-of-the-mill folks weren't considered scum. It was only the wealthier class. Tony Vanetta, what a great way to get educated, a real educated. Well, educated is for those that are really educated. What a way to get educated on real American history. That's Rusty. I've been close to there a few times but missed it. I'll be back this fall. I really like the Old West. Well, that's a good place to take a look at it. And actually, if you follow that road on around, you may need a four-wheel drive. It comes all the way back around to Capitan, believe it or not. But you better ask directions because you don't take a wrong turn. Gabe Martinez, White Oak. Hey, bud, born and raised here in a small town in New Mexico, and still here. LOL, loving your videos, very humble and kind. Hope all is well. God bless. Thank you, Gabe. I appreciate your comment. This person's name is The Conduit. This is camping. This is the Prius, Jessica and Aberdeen. This is interesting. I have a blue Prius 2015 that I'm about to go on the road with. I paid to have a tow hitch attached so that I can store all of my clothes, kitchen appliances, and solar battery, as well as tools in the cargo hitch, and then getting another cargo carrier for the roof. Currently, I'm trying to decide between 2,000 watt solar or a 2,000 watt inverter, blah, blah, blah. Well, let me tell you what it sounds like to me. It sounds like you'll be taking too damn much stuff. But anyway, don't plan it to death. Don't plan it to death. Just get out there on the road and enjoy it. Do it. Yeah, but yeah, if you're going to have something on the roof and pulling something behind you and that's not enough, maybe you ought not go camping. Maybe you ought to stay at home, Vabasser 1, cool video. Then Briggs was laying by a sewer lateral good property for sale. Must wear a mask. LOL, sure big a kid wouldn't have mind. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, no, there's actually a corner lot for sale in the White Oaks. Mark Reynolds, thanks for sharing this video. Enjoyed camping trip with you. That was a truck camper. That was a gear. I did stay in Gear Springs that time. Truck. Plain Air, No Scum Saloon. We'll be back in business soon, bigger and better than ever. Well, I hope so. This is gaming. Bay 3 all day power hour. That was on Discount Tire when I had my tires balanced because they do it for free if you buy your. Well, I don't know. I guess they do it for free for anybody. Julie Castagnaro. I do mean. If I mispronounce something, it's okay. But thank you for correcting me. Las Cruces. Las Cruces. Okay, I'll try to remember that about that long. Jamie Macon. I would never have expected there to be an 8,000-pound boat anchor in the middle of the New Mexican desert. Well, you know, they had a high tide. That's what caused that. Anyway, you find the coolest things to show us. That neat town and that neat bar. Hope they can get back to normal soon. It ain't gonna happen, guys. No, these politicians and power-hungry people are having more fun than they've ever had in their life. Pharmaceuticals making more money than they ever wanted to. These corporate hospitals are just raking it in by the billion. Do they want this to stop? Hell no. Is it going to stop? No. Newspapers, all the media making millions. And this is like thank you, the stockholders and everybody. 4321 group, what White Oaks needs is a Walmart. Yeah, that's what they need, a super Walmart. Yeah, that would quadruple their population. They would Dorita McLaughlin. We'll do a few more here. Yeah, we see Starfire on the same shelf as Mr. Clump, grinning it. She has been covered by paper for a long time. My grandson got so excited when he saw her. Why don't you introduce her? She is from Teen Titans. Yeah, this is, where is she? She's right there. You can't already see her. But I found her. She was on the ground out when I was walking somewhere. I just picked it up, stuck it up there. Thank you, Dorita. Anyway, do two more right quick. Eric Steamboat Shaw. Love the White Oak scene in Young Guns too. Of course, it wasn't very accurate, but my nephew and I enjoyed both movies, and this vid was interesting as it highlighted some of that scene. Thanks, Rusty. You're welcome. Eric. Wayne Maker. When Trackman comes to a fork in the road, he takes it. That's right, he'll take the whole fork. Let me do this. Joan Stanley. We were there the last couple of trips. That's White Oaks. Drove the whole road. History all through it, thanks to the members. Yeah, they got an old school building there and all kinds of stuff if you want to take the time to check it out. But anyway, guys, from Valley of Fires, fixing to be somewhere else. This is Rusty78609 saying thumbs up, carpe diem, adios, bye-bye, buy anything you want anytime. But if you think about it, use the link to Amazon products in the description of all of my videos. Why? Because it doesn't cost you one penny. And what else? Take deep breaths. Breathe in really deep. Hold it for a few seconds, then breathe out slowly. Why? What does that do? That relieves stress, which lowers your blood pressure, and the sun is still ain't coming up. I'm too early, guys. But anyway, taking deep breaths relieves stress, lowers your blood pressure, lowers stress and all that stuff. Anyway, it's good for you. Do it. And then what else? Stretch, swivel, walk, pedal. Exercise your body once or twice a day, every day. Why? Because it's good for you. You'll feel better immediately, and you may live healthier longer. And then what else? Stand guard at the door of your mind. Do not let negative Nancy or negative Ned get inside of your head. This is your head, your brain, your frontal lobes. Your consciousness up there, those little neurons are forming neural links, which are you. So put in good ingredients, Watch the news. But anyway, having said that, guys, accentuate the positive, eliminate the negative, enjoy your life one moment or one day at a time. And what else? Adios, bye-bye, hasta luego, adios again, and aloha. How about that one? Bye-bye. Yeah, we'll do the triking of the lava field for the noon deal. Trackman took a real risk in doing that. Pat yourself on the back, Trackman. Anyway, guys, adios till next time.